Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sill's Kitchenette and I'm back today with amazing recipe. Hope you all doing well. Today I'm making beef smash burgers with thin juicy patties. I have 1000 gram ground beef. You can adjust the serving size according to your family. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon white pepper with half or almost 1 teaspoon chili sauce. 1 egg white. Mix it well and let it marinate for a few minutes. Now it's time to make the sauce. I use 2 garlic cloves and chop them, 1 cup mayonnaise and 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon mustard sauce, half teaspoon sesame oil, and your sauce is ready. Now I'm going to caramelize onion rings and mushrooms with a pinch of salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Stir fry the onion rings and mushrooms until it's light brown, and you will surely enjoy this combination in your burgers. You can see it's almost ready. Now it's time to cook the patties and smash them with any spatula you have. Look how I'm doing with real force, and your juicy patties will ready, and it will take around like 15 to 20 minutes. And I put some pepper and salt while patties are making, and it will take some more time to disappear the water. On the other side, I'm going to heat the buns and grease the butter on the buns. You can see how I'm doing on both sides. My patties are ready. Now I'm going to put the cheese slice on it and wait for them to melt on it, and I will show you how I assemble the burger step by step. So don't miss any step and see how I am doing. First of all, I put the sauce on the base of my burger, and then caramelized mushroom and onions, some tomato slices, lettuce or iceberg, anything you have. You can put some onion rings also if you like. And this is the last step, how I assemble my burger. Hope you enjoy. This is how my juicy beef burger looks like. Hope you enjoy the recipe and give me feedback also. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more recipes. Hope you like it.